Guys, so we're at the airport. Jeez! What the heck? There's one landing right there. Guys, there's an airplane landing. Guys, Southwest is gonna take off. There he is, he's coming. It's cool watching him take off. It's like very cool. You can see that I saw like the color tail coming. Like, oh, that's Southwest. Those airplanes are not coming down. Like they're like, ah! Here he comes, Southwest. He's gonna go take off. Here we go. Oh, ow! The bird is testing it. See how the plane works. There's Southwest. He's coming. Yo, Southwest is coming. There he is. Southwest. He's gonna turn and take off. He's slowing down. He's turning. He's gonna take off. Here he comes. He's gonna go straight up like the other one. Let's see if he's gonna go straight up or not. Yeah? It's not all over the place. Like, oh yeah, that'd be amazing. It's coming. Guys, here comes Southwest. Let's see if he's gonna go up like the other ones. He's gonna take off. Oh, he's going up. He went up early. There's Southwest. There he is. That was cool. Guys, Hawaiian jet is coming. Hawaiian's gonna take off. There's Hawaiian. He's turning. There he comes. Oh, there's dust. Oh, dust back there. Southwest didn't blow much dust. There he comes. Do you hear him? Oh, he's going up. There he is. Oh, he's going straight up. Yeah, look. Wow.